Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com, and I'm going to try a slightly different format for you guys. What I want you to do is watch the two songs that are coming up very shortly. Watch them and decide which lesson of those two that you want me to make you. Now, these are songs that I'm performing at open mic nights at the moment, and I've really been enjoying making them, so I thought, well, as well as perform them, let's share them as well, and let's teach you how to do these arrangements that I'm making. So watch the two songs, and then in the comments below, there's going to be Believe, and there's going to be Baby Can I Hold You. Whichever one gets the most thumbs up, that's the lesson that I shall make. So start watching them now and let me know your decision. How hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad you're leaving. It takes time to believe it, but after all is said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. No, believe in life after love. I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think it's strong enough. No, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think it's strong enough. Sorry is all